A professional heating repair and air company can provide high-quality heating repair services when a system loses its efficiency due to aging. It is important to keep up the maintenance with your system. If you are in need of heating repair service for the system you have in your home or business, a professional, experienced contractor can provide you with the reliable and personal repair services you need. These contractors have experience with handling a wide range of cooling and heating needs for both residential and commercial customers. They will help you with your efforts in maintaining a comfortable environment at your business or home, 24/7 and 365 days a year, while also using energy conservatively in order to protect the ecosystem. If you feel that is time to get the heating repair service that will have your business or home feeling comfortable the way it once did, call a professional heating and air conditioning company to provide you with the service you need. Look for a company that will provide you with a 100% guarantee on their work and first-rate heating repair so that you have the assurance that the work is done accurately the first time. You also want to make sure the company provides you with upfront pricing, making sure you pay only what was quoted at the beginning, with no hidden costs. If you are interested in hiring a service, call Pioneer Plumbing and Heating Inc., providing every plumbing service you could possibly think of. Office hours are 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. weekdays. On call 24 hours for emergency. Call now. 604-872-4946.